With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here represents a diagram, alright, and this diagram is the evolutionary tree, and it is regarding all the bacteria plus as well as all the organisms that originated. Alright. Now first of all we'll understand this the evolutionary tree, and then we'll look into the options. Okay. Now at the below I have the ancestral prokaryotes. So they were organisms that first time originated, took origin on the earth, ancestral prokaryotes. Okay, and what do you mean by the ancestral prokaryotes? Ancestral prokaryotes. Ancestral prokaryotes. It means they were not able to produce oxygen. It means they were anaerobic. Okay, they were anaerobic. They did not have well-defined nucleus or even the cell membrane. Now from the ancestral prokaryotes there originated three types of organism. First were the Archebacteria, second were the Eubacteria, and the ancestral eukaryotes. Okay, first were from the ancestral prokaryotes originate the Archebacteria. Second was the Eubacteria. Okay, and third was the ancestral eukaryotes. Okay, Archebacteria is the primitive type of bacteria. Okay, like methanogens. These are the Archebacteria. U means true. So true type of bacteria are the Eubacteria, and ancestral eukaryotes means the first eukaryotes that originated, and these eukaryotes had organelles. Okay, they had cell membrane, proper cell membrane, they had proper nucleus and membrane bounded cell organelles. All right, now further we'll see what happened from these Archebacteria and Eubacteria. From these Archebacteria other type of bacteria is originated. All right, since name is not mentioned, so it is not even necessary. From the Eubacteria three division took place. Other type of bacteria originated. Okay, and some photosynthetic bacteria originated. Okay, now what happened from the Eubacteria? There was the origin of the photosynthetic bacteria. And what do you mean photosynthetic bacteria? Now these bacteria were eligible to produce oxygen with the help of the process known as the photosynthesis in the presence of the sunlight. All right, and broke the water H2O to produce the oxygen. Okay, now next, from these ancestral eukaryotes originated plants, animals, and fungi. So what happened now? From the ancestral eukaryotes we have fungi, we have plants, and we have animals. Originally these eukaryotes were single celled, but now we have multicellular organism. All right, now what happened in between these things were happening? Okay, some of the photosynthetic bacteria, some of the Eubacteria possesses the chloroplast. Okay, and if they possess the chloroplast, they got converted into the plants. Okay, and some of the other bacteria that originate from the Eubacteria possess the mitochondria. Okay, and this mitochondria got distributed into the plants, animals, and fungi. So what happened basically? Some of the Eubacteria, okay, divided and they possess the chloroplast. And when they possessed the chloroplast, it is the photosynthetic pigment photosynthetic pigment. Okay, and this photosynthetic pigment started appearing in the form of, we started getting another organism known as the alga, which are single cell then multicellular, and from these algas we further got the well developed plants. Another was some of the eubacteria possess the mitochondria. Okay, they did not possess the mitochondria. Basically, some of the bacteria got converted into mitochondria, and this mitochondria, okay, this is the membrane bound organelle which is present in all the three eukaryotic organisms, that is plants, animals and fungi. Hence, mitochondria and the chloroplast, they have their own DNA, which is single stranded DNA, and these organisms are known as the endosymbiotic, and this means they can replicate on their own, and endosymbiotic means they represent or they are similar to the previous prokaryotes, hence they are known as the endosymbiotic. All right, now we'll see the options one by one. First option, which of the following statement can be deduced from the given evolutionary tree? We have to select the right one. Okay, first option is the ancestral eukaryotes are anaerobic. Yes, because there was no photosynthetic pigment like chloroplast in the ancestral eukaryotes, hence they were anaerobic. All eukaryotes are anaerobic? No, all eukaryotes are not anaerobic. Why? Because plants, they they breathe via aerobic respiration. Fungi also, and even in human beings there is aerobic respiration occur. Aerobic respiration occur. There are some eukaryotes that are anaerobic, but not all are anaerobic. Okay, this is false. Next, all eukaryote possesses mitochondria. True, all of them have mitochondria. No, this statement is not true. Sorry, this statement is not true. Why? Because yes, in majority all eukaryotes possesses mitochondria, but some cells like human RBC, it is organelle less. No organelle is present, it does not possess the mitochondria, and this statement is not fully correct. Next, Eubacteria and Eukaryote have common ancestor, whereas Archebacteria are unique and independent in origin. No, everyone originated from the common ancestor, that is ancestral prokaryote. So this statement is false. Mitochondria and chloroplasts have similar genomes. Yes, they have single-stranded DNA. Okay. Mitochondria are present in plants, animals and fungi. Yes, they are present in plants, animals and fungi. Chloroplasts and mitochondria are known as endosymbionts. Yes, because they are similar to the prokaryote, that is ancestral prokaryote, and they have their own DNA which can replicate. Fungi and animals lost chloroplasts during evolution. Yes, they do not have chloroplasts, and they cannot do photosynthesis. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.